Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got an exciting product to talk about. The A-Flat Roller Wheel 10-in-1 A-Flat Exercise Wheels Kit with resistance bands, knee mat, jump rope, and push-up bar. If you're someone who's had a knee replacement surgery and is looking for the best exercise equipment to strengthen your core and abdominal muscles, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the details, let's take a quick look at what this fantastic kit includes. It comes with a sturdy AB roller wheel, a thick foam knee mat, 2 resistance bands, 2 push-up bars, 2 wrist wraps, an 8-shaped stretched band, a jump rope, a guidebook, and it's all beautifully packaged in a gift box. This kit offers everything you need for a comprehensive core workout right in the comfort of your home. Now, let's talk about why this A-Flat Roller Wheel Kit is the best exercise equipment after knee replacement surgery. Firstly, it's a 10-in-1 kit, which means you get a wide range of workout options to target different muscle groups. From the AB roller wheel to resistance bands and even a jump rope, it's got it all. If you've had knee replacement surgery, you'll appreciate the thick knee mat made of NBR material. It provides extra cushioning and support for your knees, ensuring a comfortable workout without straining your joints. The AB roller wheel has a 3-thick wheel roller, capable of holding up to 440 pounds. It's made of durable non-slip rubber and strong stainless steel, providing stability and comfort for your workouts. Plus, it won't damage your carpet or wood floors. The kit also includes resistance bands and push-up bars that add variety to your workouts. The resistance bands offer controlled resistance on the way out and return, helping you target specific muscle groups effectively. With this equipment, you can strengthen and tone not only your abdominal muscles but also your shoulders, arms, and legs. Each repetition of the rollout exercise works various muscles, reducing the risk of injury and improving overall fitness. And the best part? It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty, so you can purchase with confidence. Now, let's take a moment to see what customers are saying about this product. Customers have praised the performance, comfort, and ease of assembly of this abdominal exerciser. Many have seen great results in terms of muscle strength and overall fitness. However, some opinions on the quality are mixed, so it's essential to consider your specific needs. In conclusion, the A-Flat Roller Wheel 10-in-1 A-Flat Exercise Wheels Kit is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their core strength, especially after knee replacement surgery. It offers a comprehensive workout experience with various accessories and ensures your comfort and safety during exercises. If you're ready to take your fitness to the next level and want a versatile, knee-friendly exercise kit, I highly recommend giving this product a try. You can find a link to purchase it in the description below. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative product reviews. If you have any questions or want us to review a specific product, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.